Stacey Wong here from Orlando, Florida. In today's video, we're going to talk about Zillow Zestimates. If you've ever had a seller reject the price that you researched for them because of what they saw on Zillow Zestimate, raise your hand. That's all of us, right? So, we know that Zillow can be way off because it's just a computer-generated value and it doesn't take into account of what an actual appraiser does. But unfortunately, the public thinks that Zillow is correct. And so I'm really excited to share with you the secret that was shared with me on how to communicate this to sellers. It's a very easy, non-confrontational way that is a game changer. Now, I want to give a special shout out to this agent that shared it with me, Laura Foreman, out in Melbourne, Florida. If you ever have any referrals on the East Coast side of Florida, please reach out to Laura. She is an amazing realtor. So the secret is pointing sellers back to Zillow's own disclaimer on their own website about how their estimates work. It's actually on their website. It's public information. It's just the fine print that nobody knows that's there to read about. So you're going to be the one that opens the eyes of all these clients and potential sellers for them to see what they should be aware of for Zestimates. So I created an entire video that explains exactly where to find it on Zillow's website, what it says, and examples there of how off it can be, 5, 7, up to 8 or 9% of an error rate that is off by their pricing. And so you're welcome to watch this video. The purpose of our video today is because you're a realtor, I want to give you the tools for you to create your own video like this so that you can be the expert in your market to be able to bring this revelation to those that follow your Instagram or within your personal circle. I'm planning to include this video in my pre-listing package that I send out. So that way this is all resolved even before it gets to the appointment. And the more the public is educated about it, the less objection that this comes up. And so the purpose, as I mentioned in this video, is how to create this. You can watch the actual video for the content. And I'm going to share with you in how I make a video even right now today, being able to share your screen, point out things, what tools I use. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. If you just want to know about the content, then just check out that video I already made. And so one of the first things that I'll show you, I'll share my screen now. So this is the program that I use to record on my computer. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. It's only $11 a year. It's really affordable. There's a lot of other video recording software out there. Obviously, go and check those out. I think I've heard of like Loom. I also have BombBomb, but this is a really great one that seems to be really affordable and user-friendly. And you can actually edit the video too in here. Basic editing of just cutting out the areas that you want to remove from the video, a linear way of editing that. To edit with some more features, I use an app on the iPad called LumaFusion. So I use that as well. So I go ahead and just launch the recorder and record this. And you notice how when I move the mouse, it points to where I want to show. So that's what I do in that Zillow video and how I record that. So once you have the video recorded, then you can upload it to your YouTube, and that's a great place to host your videos because you can always share that link. However, I also share it on my other social media platforms such as my Instagram. Now, the tip for this is don't just share your YouTube video link on your Instagram. It's much more powerful and more user-friendly if you upload the video directly into each platform. So here, for example, that's where I have it right here. How accurate are Zillow's estimates? There's also, when you're uploading the video, choose the cover so that the preview in the cover is actually the question. It really stands out. So when people are interested, they just go to this right away. It's video rather than like a still shot of your face, because then people don't know what that video is about. And you want them to easily identify where they want to watch it. And that little icon up there just tells you that it's a longer video on IGTV within my account. When I upload it to my Facebook page, again, I upload it native. So here it is, and I upload it directly into Facebook rather than posting a link to my YouTube. And because people who are on Facebook want to watch it on Facebook, they don't want to go to another place. So this makes it a lot easier for them to access. I want to share with you how I created this cover because that's something I recently discovered that it was really helpful. So I use Canva. Canva is a really easy editing software. If you pay for the Pro version, it can easily adjust the size, and you can resize it really easily for a YouTube thumbnail, for IG post, all of that. So here, this is, for example, my YouTube video thumbnail. When you open this, I'll show you. Right here on resize, if you have the Pro version, then you click resize and you can choose what you want to resize it to, like a Facebook post, Instagram post, or an Instagram story. And so what I do is I choose the Instagram story because it's a long, a portrait style. And when you upload to Instagram to choose the cover, the IGTV cover, it does need this longer one because that's just the format of Instagram. And what I do is I put that same question and I place it right in the middle of this. And then I download and save this as a picture. And so when I go to upload my video, there's an option for you to choose your own or upload your own picture as a cover. So I upload this picture, and when I upload it, it's already in the center, and I just adjust it a little bit and it's right there. So it works out really easily. And on Canva too, like this is just actually directly from Canva. If you go to Elements, you can search so many different icons. So I search Zillow, and actually it's right there. So I just dragged it over and it makes it really easy. What else? Oh, as I mentioned, you can save this video and add it to your pre-listing package so that it clears the air before you even get there. Post it on social media. Not only does it educate the public, you become the expert in real estate, being able to let people know how to actually accurately evaluate their home, which is to speak to a professional real estate agent. If you have any questions about any of these tools, please feel free to reach out. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your month, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.